Here we come to the elevator at Fleming Hall at University of Houston, Texas. That looks like some sort of original indicator. I don't know what kind of vintage directional lantern that is. That is probably an Armor or Dover. I don't know which. B. Still got to know of that loud fan. Yeah, you can't even hear the motor. I don't know if this is hydraulic or traction. Yeah, that fan is definitely... Wish the fan was not so loud so I can hear the motor. This is definitely a nice elevator. The cab is original. 3 is locked. I want to see that indicator again. I really like that indicator. Nice. Right, there it goes. The fan is a lot more louder than inside the elevator car. Anyways, there it goes, and that's it.